Hey, in this video, I will show you how to mute notifications on Discord or how to basically Discord app notifications mute tutorial that you can use on any iPhone and on any Android device. So make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. Before we start, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,000 subscribers. So what you want to do is just go on the Discord app. And from there, you want to click on the three dashes at the top left corner, then click at the bottom right corner on your profile photo and navigate down to notifications, which should be under app settings. Click on notifications, and here you want to disable this and this basically, and you will be done. This is the easiest way to do it. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I promise it would be a fast video, a quick video. If you appreciate it, subscribe. We're actually uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week. And I want to see you in the next video. Bye.